Good morning, everyone. We are continuing here in the words of the Meishiv Nefesh, and we are beginning a new chapter today called B'Simcha Rabbah, with great joy and happiness. And in the introduction over here, he writes the following. He says, Simchas HaChayim, the happiness of life, B'Simchas Torah u'mitzvahs, and the joy, the happiness of Torah and of mitzvahs. Materes perek zeh lahadgish. The purpose of this chapter is to emphasize shebiyadus amitis ein mokaim l'daigais pachad v'tzar. In true Judaism, in true Yiddishkeit that we are pursuing over here, there's no place for worries, fear, or tsar, or anguish. Ela ikra umahusa shel Torah. The main essence of the Torah is mitzvahs kemo shehigdir oisei Shlomo HaMelech. The main part of the Torah is to be engaged in mitzvahs, as Shlomo HaMelech himself defined for us. Chachu mamtakim kulu machmodim. When a person looks into the sweetness of the mitzvahs, they will find that everything is really pleasant. U'knesses Yisrael mitoeres. And Klal Yisrael is called Am B'Dushne Oineg. We are the nation that comes from pleasure. The Adarab HaEksiv Yismach Le Mevakshe Hashem. And it says further in Tehillim, those who are Mevakesh, who search for HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Yismach Lev, they are happy-hearted. Their hearts rejoice. They are peaceful, they are calm, because they're running after the Ribbono Shel Olam all day long. Mashma mizeh, we hear from this, the misheino b'simcha, someone who is not happy. That means from the moment that you wake up in the morning till you go to sleep at night, you think to yourself, what was my happiness level for the day? Did I rejoice when I woke up? Was I happy to go to shul? Was I happy when I was engaged in doing an act of chesed, of kindness? Was I happy when I was in my car and there was a lot of carpool and it was bothering me? Or did I use it as an opportunity to work on my patience and to rejoice with the extra time that I have to make phone calls, to be with my children in carpool, to think just quietly to myself about life and things that I have to do? If I measure and I gauge my happiness throughout the day, am I truly a happy person? Now, if the answer is she'enoi b'simcha, if I find myself throughout the day, I'm not really happy, einoi mevakshe Hashem ha'amitim, then I have to know that I'm not truly from the real, honest mevakshe Hashem, those that are seeking and searching Hashem in this world. Ve'al zeh, and based upon this, Rav Yitzchak Hutner said the following statement, which is a beautiful thing for us to keep in mind. In his lifetime, he was privileged to see many of the leaders of Klal Yisrael from all different camps. He had those from the yeshiva world that were Ashkenazi. He was close to those in the Svardisha world that were Svardim. He knew from the Hasidim, all different types of great leaders of Klal Yisrael from different yeshivas in different countries and different parts of the world. All of them. What was the equilibrium between all of them? What united them under one umbrella? All of them, without fail, the Gedalim, the leaders of the Jewish people, no matter what size yarmulke, no matter what color yarmulke, no matter what color clothing, no matter what, there was one thing that unified them all. They were constantly in a matzav, in a position, in a feeling of simcha, of joy, of happiness. And that's because a person that is deeply connected to the Torah becomes deeply connected to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and they're the Mevakshe Hashem. They're the ones that are seeking and looking for HaKadosh Baruch Hu in their lives. If you're from that group, so then automatically Yismach Lev, your heart is going to rejoice and to be happy. So as we embark upon the new chapter here on the day of Zois Chanukah, the final day of Chanukah, which is the ultimate simcha, we recognize how great it is to be a Jew. Im Yetz Hashem, our learning together will bring us to the level of Simcha Rabbah, of great joy, with appreciation for what it means to be a Jew, to have Torah and mitzvahs in our lives, and to fill ourselves up. Yismach lei mevakshe Hashem, those who seek HaKadosh Baruch Hu in this world, who spend their life looking for His goodness and His kindness and His blessings and His Torah, they will be the ones, Yismach Lev, their hearts will constantly rejoice. Have a wonderful day. A Freilich in Chanukah. May we utilize the lights of Kedusha of this last day to bring us to new levels of simcha, of happiness in our lives. All the best.